is CBS 2 News at 5.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Maurice Dubois.
Welcome back to the broadcast. I'm Christine Johnson. We have some new information today in a story we told you about first.
A notorious Brooklyn landlord was in court today answering questions about why he has not made repairs to one of the Bushwick apartments he had partially demolished, allegedly to drive out longtime tenants of the rent-stabilized apartments. CBS 2's Sonia Rincon has the latest.
Joel Israel testified for the first time at his contempt hearing for not making repairs here at 98 Linden Street, which he has agreed to do. Exactly 10 months ago, he ordered the kitchen and bathroom demolished, allegedly without a permit, and attorneys for the tenants are asking for civil penalties and for him to be thrown in jail. Israel testified that the tenants didn't give him or his contractors access and that they need to vacate because his experts claim it's not safe.
He claims that my clients didn't allow them in, which makes no sense because why would they deny him access so that they wouldn't have a kitchen and bathroom?
He was lying. He keeps lying about why he's not fixing the building. You know, what we don't understand is why HPD is not doing anything to enforce him to fix it. 10 months of no bathroom, no kitchen.
HPD, the Department of Housing Preservation and Development, says it's on the case and others involving Israel and is holding him accountable. But City Public Advocate Letitia James says there's more it can do.
HPD can immediately go in and fix the conditions. What has happened is this is nothing more than what they refer to as a constructive eviction. For all intents and purposes, these individuals have been evicted from their apartments. And so HPD can go in and they can correct the situation and they can bill the landlord.
So why isn't HPD making those emergency repairs and billing the landlord for them? HPD has denied our request for an interview here at its offices, but a spokesperson says the repairs needed in these cases are just too extreme. HPD says its emergency repairs program can replace a broken toilet or a boiler or get rid of lead paint, but not rebuild entire floors and walls. Joel Israel and his attorney would only say this today in a written statement. My clients are ready to make the repairs. We are seeking the court's assistance to obtain the access necessary to get the repairs done as quickly and safely as possible. This week I asked Mayor de Blasio what can be done in the short term to help Joel Israel's tenants. He wasn't familiar with the case.
Obviously, you know from the work I did as advocate, we are very forceful when it comes to landlords who have not been following the laws.
Tenant Gloria Correa would like to see that.
Señor alcalde, por favor,
Mr. Mayor, she says, please send us some help because we need it. In Brooklyn, Sonia Rincon, CBS 2 News.